Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect Supabase to Claude AI. Start by opening the Claude AI website or the desktop app on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account before continuing. Once you are inside the main interface, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see your profile picture there. Move your cursor to that area and click on it. A small menu will appear. From this menu, find and select the option called Settings. Click on it to open the Settings panel. Take your time to scan this list and look for the option labeled Connectors. Once you find it, click on Connectors to continue. Inside the Connectors section, you will see an option to browse available integrations. Click on Browse Connectors. In the search bar, type Supabase and wait for the result to appear. When you see Supabase in the list, click on it. This will open the connection page. Now look for the Connect button and click on it. You will be asked to authorize the connection. Follow the prompts on the screen. This usually includes signing into your Supabase account and granting permission. Enter your login details when asked and complete the authorization process. Once this step is finished, Claude will confirm that the connection is successful. Your Supabase account or project is now linked and ready to use inside Claude. Thanks for watching.